Hello friends, myself Rohit and welcome all of you on Rohit Tech Studies channel. So dear friends, today I have topic that how to create text or image links in HTML page. So first of all, we know that what is HTML links. Links means connection. HTML enables you to create links among HTML pages. It is a link which ties several pages altogether. In HTML, a link is known as hyperlink. A link is fundamental constituent of www World Wide Web. You can specify mainly three different kinds of links. Number 1, internet. Number 2, local. Number 3, global. In HTML, you can use text or image to work as a link. HTML provides text to create a link. The text or anything which you put within the a tag will work as link. The destination resource address of path will be included inside the a using href attribute. If you want to open the link in new windows, specify target into a tag. HTML provides following values for target attributes. Number 1, blank. Blank load the page into a new browser window. Number 2, itself. It load the pages into the current windows. And number 3, parent. Parent load the page in the frame that is superior to the frame the hyperlink is in. Number 4, top. It cancel all frames and load in full browser window. So dear friends, to creating image links, use this syntax. Now we create text link and image link practically on Notepad. Now create image link.
Cosmic, cosmic, cosmic,
Oops! Image link size is so large, so now we change image link size for use width and height. So dear friends, I hope that all of you understand that how to create text or image link in HTML page. So dear friends, please subscribe, like and hit the bell icon so that you all got updates of next video. So thank you.
cosmic.